Hi there, students. Gusto. Gusto is a noun. It means great energy and enthusiasm, really enjoying an experience when you're taking part in it. Yeah, so if you do something with gusto, very often with gusto, you're really enjoying it, you're participating enthusiastically. They use this especially for performances. So everyone joined in the singing with great gusto. Yeah, he ate with great gusto, enjoying the experience, being very happy and really enjoying it. I eat with great gusto when good food is put in front of me. I really enjoy it. Okay, so vigorous enjoyment of something, zest, energy because of something, especially when performing an action. So he sang the song with great gusto. Yeah, he hit the ball with gusto. Yeah, he hit it and he really enjoyed hitting the ball. Yeah, so it was a really enjoyable experience. Yeah, to relish. There you go, Roland. To do something with gusto. Yeah, to enjoy it. Hearty, keen enjoyment. Eating, drinking, or doing something. He gave the speech with great gusto. Yeah, he really enjoyed it. The teacher gave the live stream with great gusto, with relish, enthusiasm, appetite, appreciation. Yeah, pleasure, with great zeal. Yeah, he only had a minor part in the play, but he played it with great gusto. He played his musical instrument with gusto, with enthusiasm and enjoyment, with vigor. Yeah, he sang more with gusto than with talent. Okay, so if you do something with gusto, you really enjoy doing it and you do it enthusiastic, vigorously, you relish doing it. Okay, so as to origin, to me it comes from the Spanish verb gustar, to like. Yeah, gusto, I like, or taste, the taste for something. But maybe also it comes from Italian, gusto, but the word originally comes from Latin, gustus, tasting, a taste for something. Okay, so yeah, if you have a taste for something, you enjoy doing it. So yeah, I probably make videos with great gusto. I enjoy doing it. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gusto.